So just wanted to let you guys know that I'm slowing down. I have degenerative arthritis. It's just getting worse. Um, I'm it's just I've been slowing down quite a bit. I'm probably going to do less and less videos. There is a project I wanted to start working on, so I think I might do that, and that is that I lost about 3 years worth of videos on those flash drives, and because I put it on the flash drive and then the flash drive had nothing on it when I went to go check it out. So I might put those on video. I keep all the videos I've made on a DVD, so I might start downloading that from my All for One, One for All. And I am thinking about starting a new channel, just to start over, fresh. Maybe put some of those videos on there that I lost. Just, I don't know, just I've been wanting to do that for a very long time, and I never did, so I might do that. I found out we have pop shelves here all over Houston, and they're like an extension of Dollar General, but they are way nicer. I've been getting body stuff from there. They've been on sale for like 3 for $10. I've been getting, it's called Scent Happy, and I've been getting good baths. So I've been really enjoying the pop shelves. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about me, is just that I'm really, really slowing down because the arthritis is just getting worse and worse and worse. My body is always hurting. I'm in pain. I have a hard time waking up in the mornings, I guess because my body's so tense and in pain. I've never slept well, but I guess because I've always had sleep problems, and then the arthritis is just making it worse. So I've just been slowing down quite a bit, and I know my doctor is not happy about me taking anti-inflammatories because they are blood thinners, but I just have to do something for the pain. That's really all you're gonna get is blood thinners. Pain meds have blood thinners in them. So yeah, I'm gonna be slowing down with the videos. Like I said, I'm 58. I'm gonna be 60 soon, and I'm just gonna be slowing down. I might be, like I said, working on the project of getting back those videos I lost. I think it was something like 3 to 4 years worth of videos that are not on my flash drives. So I might start downloading those again. And so it's, I just been wanting to do this for a really long time. So yeah, that's really what's going on with me. And I'm taking less pictures as well. My new computer is horrible. Mac had iMovie and they had iPhoto, and the editing program for both was so much better. And now I'm struggling with editing. They've made it twice as hard as it needs to be with the new iMovie and the new photos, and I've just been struggling, taking twice as long to do it. So I'm gonna be taking less pictures as well, and photos are easier to make a film with than an actual film, because they again made the editing for iMovie twice as hard as it was before. So I'm just really slowing down. Gonna be doing less videos, less pictorials, tutorials. I was just really excited about the Alice in Wonderland collection. I really wanted to do this growing up, Alice in Wonderland was my favorite book. I read it over and over and over again. So I was really excited about this. So I will be doing at least one other video with these colors. So yeah. So just wanted to let you know that, and I'll see you soon. Bye.